We have given triangle and we have to translate this triangle first. What is translation? Translation moves every point of figure the same distance in the same direction. So we know that translation in coordinate plane moves objects a given distance, right or left, on, up or down. We can use coordinate notation to describe a translation. So if we have point x, y, and we translate this point to x plus a and y plus b, it means that point xy is translated horizontally a units and vertically b units. So let's copy our first point A, has coordinates 2, 2, and it means we have to substitute x by 2 and y by 2. This is our x, this is our y. So we have 2 and the rest we have to copy, minus 3, and we have 2 because y is 2 plus 2. So we have coordinates point A after translation. 2 minus 3 is negative 1 and 2 plus 2 is 4. Next, point B has coordinates 4, 5. First coordinate, second coordinate. So after translation, what will be? We have to substitute to our formula x by 4 and y by 5. So we have 4 minus 3 and we have 5 plus 2. It means we have to subtract 3 units from x coordinate and we have to add 2 to y coordinate. So we have point 4 minus 3 is 1, 5 plus 2 is 7. And the third point is C, 6, negative 1. 6, negative 1. Now we have that x is 6 and y is negative 1. And we have to subtract 3 from x coordinate and we have to add 2 to the y coordinates. So we have 6 minus 3 and negative 1 plus 2. So this is 3 and 1. So now we will have point A will have coordinates negative 1, 4. Negative 1, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now this is our point A. So let me put that this is A prime. So we see that we go 1, 2, 3 units to the left and 2 units up. So this point has coordinates negative 1, 4. Next, point B now has coordinates 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Approximately you can write here would be 7. So B prime has coordinates 1, 7. And C has now 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1. This is our C prime, 3, 1. So now if we connect these 3 points, we have our triangle, and we see that we move our triangle to the left 3 units. Every point of this triangle was moved by 3 units to the left and 2 units up. So in other words, we can say that we translate our triangle ABC by vector -3, 2. So this was translation by vector -3, 2. This is my solution.